All right, sound check here. The 99 BMW M Coupe. Do a quick little loop. Do an audio check here. See what we could actually hear with this fucking system. Apologize for the audio if it sounds like shit. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, but give it a shot. Quick pulls here. See if I can keep this bitch on the road. Trying not to get myself killed. See if I can keep myself out of jail. Man, I hope the audio's coming through. Watch out for the popo. Nice shot back there. Oh, damn. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get myself in some trouble with this fucking car. Second and third gear pull. Right around 13, yeah, I don't know, 12 pounds for now. I like that. Felt good. She hooked up good. Gotta do something about this exhaust, though. It's a little too quiet. I fucked it up. Goddamn road. Pop a U-turn somewhere around here. Alright, so this is again a 99 M Coupe. 62,000 miles on the clock. It's got a Technique Tuning Stage 2 turbo kit, slightly modified. It's got Precision 6266 turbo instead of the T60-1, and it looks like so it's got the Precision turbo. It's got a Tile 44 millimeter wastegate instead of the Tile 38 that comes with the kit. Tuned by Nick G. Car runs pretty good. Got a check engine light for catalytic converter code, which I'm taking care of. Hopefully that's just something simple. So plans for the car: boost the shit out of this fucking thing. So we'll see how much power we can make on stock motor. Car is probably making about 400 to the wheels right now, and like I said, she hooks pretty good. So I think we can throw some more power at her and still be on the safe side. This motor should be good for 600 to the wheel. It does have a .140 MLS head gasket, so we do have lowered compression, slightly lowered compression. So yeah, we'll have some fun with this bitch. It's getting a little foggy out right now. I guess the temperatures are getting cold. Damn, that blow off valve sounds good. Yeah, so I tied the wastegate back into the exhaust. I had Donovan do that for me last week, and that was a mistake. Now the car is batshit quiet, so gotta get that fixed. I'm gonna probably end up taking the Scorpion and cat back off and just throwing straight pipes on it. It's a little laggy for this boost level. Making like full boost around 3,500, 4,000 RPM or something like that. I think once we start upping the boost, eventually I want to try to get to like 18 to 20 pounds. If we can get up there, I think she'll pull pretty good. But right now at this low boost level, she's kind of laggy. Yeah, full throttle, but better. Might be in the wastegate settings too. I might have to look at this boost controller, see if there's anything I can do there to speed the spool up a bit. See if it's just a test video here. See how the audio turns out. I'll mount my Olympus microphone to the bumper tomorrow and do some pulls, see how she sounds. Probably really quiet, but I'll tell you what, inside the car it sounds pretty good, man.